like a Hellcat.
What is up, gang? It's your bro Francis, back again with another reaction video. So today we are gonna react to this new Garo song that was released 3-4 days back called Golgenma. I really do not know the meaning, and the artist, the singer is Satnal Raksam SR. I'm very much excited and eager for this one. Actually, I was out of station, so I couldn't react to this video when it was released, but now we are here. Hey, let's go. And guys, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and be a part of the family. And to all the subscribers, thank you so much for all the love and support. And also do follow me on Instagram. You know, I follow back genuine followers, so this is my Instagram ID. Do hit me up in there. Hey, let's just jump straight into this video and let's vibe into it. Come on, let's go. Golgenma. By the way, I have heard this song a little bit, you know, the trailer or whatever you call it, the promo video I have seen. Anyways, we don't have the English subtitle, but like I always say, language should not be a barrier for you to enjoy the music. So let's just vibe into this. The melody, the music and all sounds a little bit, you know, that sad romantic vibes I'm getting from this one. And yeah, he has that athletic body, by the way. Oh. Let me increase the quality. Meghalaya also looks very similar with Arunachal Pradesh, with the background, the scenery and stuff, you know, very similar to my place. Oh, they look good together, by the way. That's a dam. Is this the same girl? Sometimes he is with one boy and sometimes she is with another guy. or is that the different girl? I really want to know the meaning, by the way. He seems sad and depressed. Oh, is this in Meghalaya? This railway track? Just let me know, guys. Nice shirt. I love the shirt. beautiful scenery, and the music is really catchy. I love that beat, this is like a hook, right? This part. I can see the drone, shadow of the drone. Wow, this is really awesome. Awesome. Satnal Raksam SR. Hey, this was really an amazing music video. I loved it. I enjoyed it. Except for the subtitle, we don't have it. I did not understand the meaning, but I'm sure this must be some, sad romantic type of love song it is. And yeah, everything was perfect. I really love the scenery, like I have told in my other videos that Meghalaya is really blessed with amazing scenery, the nature really amazing, and also very good people out there. I've been getting a lot of love and support from the Garo hills, the Khasi hills, from the Jaintia hills, and all over Meghalaya. Thank you so much, man, to each and every one of you. And yeah, shout out to Satnal Raksam SR and also the whole team who have worked in this music video. As for cinematography, the videography, it was okay. I would rate like 7 out of 10. Yep. And yeah, Gwal Genma, I really do not know the meaning. I really want to know this meaning, so do let me know, guys. And yeah, shout out to the whole team once again, and a huge shout out to each and every one of you who have come to watch this reaction. You guys are amazing. And also do comment below what song I should react to next. Do let me know, and do not forget to follow my Instagram. And yeah, much love to you guys. Thank you so much again. And yeah, peace and love. Keep spreading the peace, love and positivity, and yeah, I love you guys. So thank you so much. Hey, let's go. Dang.